Hi everybody, this is Chaz Subaru of Sayre, here to talk to you today about the different types of crossbars and the accessories you can get for them, and just kind of how to install them in a general overview. Some of the vehicles we sell here, like this Outback, have crossbars built in. Other ones like Foresters or Crosstreks or even the Ascent, you have to get a special attachment for it. And some of them it's included with a window sticker, and other ones it's not, but you can always order the accessories here. So on the Outback, there's a little lever that you can pull on. You just have to swing the bars across to get them in place, that way you can put your accessories on top. And then when you're not using them, they fold into the sides, so that way you don't have to lose them over the winter. They're always just right on top of the vehicle. So once you get your kayak J-hooks on where you want them, there's this little screwdriver here that kind of hides right in here and clips in. Just have to tighten these down nice and good so that way your kayaks don't go anywhere. So once you have the J-hooks on for the kayak, we found the easiest way to put them on is to put the longer end with this little rubber like seatbelt looking thing. Put one over the tailgate, then one over by the hoods. They're kind of out of the way because you have to throw them up top when you actually get the kayak up on there. So once you get it up top there, take the end with the rubber side, kind of flip it up and around like that. Fish the little buckle out, feed the end through. That out from the bottom. Then tighten them down. Then do the same on the other side. They should be all ready to go.